Welcome to Gyan Laksha. Plasma, the fourth state of matter. Plasma comprises over 99% of the visible universe. Plasma, usually gaseous state of matter in which a part or all of the atoms or molecules are dissociated to form ions. Plasmas consist of a mixture of neutral particles, positive ions, and negative electrons. Most of the universe, however, consists of matter in the plasma state. Plasma was first discovered by William Crookes in 1879 and called plasma by Irving Langmuir in 1929. The ionization is caused either by high temperatures, such as inside the sun and stars, or by radiation, such as the ionization of interstellar gases or, closer to the Earth, the upper layers of the atmosphere, producing the aurora. The temperature required to create plasma depends on the gas and the pressure. Plasmas can be created by applying an electric field to a low-pressure gas, as in neon or fluorescent tubes. A plasma can also be created by heating a neutral gas to very high temperatures. Key properties of plasma. Made of charged particles, unlike neutral gases, plasma consists of atoms that have been stripped of some electrons, resulting in positively charged ions and free-moving electrons. This gives plasma the ability to conduct electricity. Highly responsive to electromagnetic fields. Due to the charged particles, plasma is strongly influenced by electrical and magnetic fields. This property plays a crucial role in many natural phenomena like auroras and solar winds. Most abundant state of matter. Interestingly, plasma is the most common state of matter in the universe. Stars, including our Sun, are primarily composed of plasma. Light emission. Due to the energy transitions of electrons, as they move between energy levels, plasma often emits light. This emission can cover a broad spectrum, from ultraviolet to visible to infrared, depending on the energy levels involved and the type of atoms or molecules in the plasma. Fluid-like behavior. Though not a true fluid, plasma can exhibit fluid-like flow and respond to pressure changes. Applications of plasma. Fusion energy. Research into using plasma for nuclear fusion aims to replicate the processes powering the sun as a source of nearly limitless and clean energy. Electronics and semiconductors. Plasma is used in the etching and deposition processes during the manufacturing of semiconductor devices. Medical treatments. Plasma technology is applied in sterilization of medical instruments and even in direct treatment of certain conditions due to its antimicrobial properties. Space propulsion. Ion thrusters, which use plasma, have been developed for spacecraft propulsion, offering high efficiency for long-duration space missions. Plasma is not just a fascinating state of matter from a scientific perspective, it's also a cornerstone of numerous applications that are pivotal to modern technology, energy, environmental protection, and even the pursuit of understanding the cosmos.